is like a red, red rose that's newly sprung in June. My love is like a melody that's sweetly played in tune. As fair thou art, my bonny lass, and deep in love am I, and I will love thee still, my dear, till all the seas can dry, till all the seas can dry, my dear, till all the seas can dry, and I will love thee still, my dear, till all the seas can dry, till all the seas can dry, my dear, and rocks melt with the sun, and I will love thee still, my dear, while the sands of life still run. So fare thee will, my only love, and fare thee will a while, and I will love thee still, my dear, though were 10,000 mile, though were 10,000 mile, my love, though were 10,000 mile, and I will come again, my love, though were 10,000 mile. Often considered Burns' best love song about deep love. My Love is Like a Red, Red Rose is from 1794. The Scottish Poetry Library has some interesting insight into what kind of rose Burns might have been thinking about, what might he have meant about the seas running dry and the rocks melting with the sun. It's absolutely fascinating insight into Burns' concept of deep time. Like most people, I have fond memories of this. My granddad used to sing it to my granny, and he asked me to give a rendition for them at their golden wedding anniversary, which of course I was happy to do. And I think every family in Scotland probably has recollections like that. The tune is called Low Down in the Broom. It's become the one most associated with this poem, but not the one Burns had anticipated. Perhaps there'll be a revival for that sometime soon.